All right, indeed, India's Kanchan Negi joins us live on this story. Hi, Kanchan. How's the rescue operation going on as of now, and what all rescue teams have been deployed in the affected area?
Well, Siddharth, as of now, rescue operations are being carried out at full scale in the disaster-hit areas of Uttarkashi, particularly in the Dhirali region. CM Pushkar Singh Dhami personally visited the affected zones today and interacted with the victims and reviewed the relief efforts on the ground. Siddharth is assured that affected families of every possible support and emphasized that no family should be left without aid. The Army, the ITBP, SDRF, Police and the Revenue Department are all actively engaged in the rescue mission. So far, 11 injured Army personnel have been shifted to ITBP base at Matli for treatment. I would also like to add on, Siddharth, that 2 helicopters have been deployed to airlift and deliver essential food and relief material to the remote regions. Additionally, a Chinook helicopter from the Indian Air Force has transported heavy machinery to facilitate road repair, the debris clearance and restoration of essential infrastructure. And the state government has set the priority of restoring normalcy and reaching every affected citizen with timely relief. Siddharth.
Indeed, Kanchan, what all is being done by the Uttarakhand government, for the injured, and is there any advisory issued for the people in nearby areas?
Well, Siddharth, in response to the large-scale disaster, the Uttarakhand government, with support from the centre, has intensified the relief efforts. On state government request, the central government deployed 2 Chinook and 2 Mi-17 helicopters from Chandigarh, Sarsava and Agra, which arrived early morning at Jolly Grant Airport. Currently, 125 Army personnel, 83 ITBP officers and Jawans, along with BROs, 6 officers and 100+ labourers are working round the clock to reopen blocked roads and restore mobility in the region. Apart from this, the health department has reserved special beds at Doon Medical College, Coronation Hospital and AIIMS Rishikesh for the injured. Specialist doctors, including the psychiatrists, have been sent to provide physical and psychological care in disaster-hit zones. And Siddharth, relief camps have been established at Inter College Harshale, the GMVN and Jhala. Restoration of electricity and communication networks is underway on war footing. And also temporary bridges are being constructed by NIM and SDRF teams at Linchagar to restore accessibility. For strategic coordination, Siddharth, I would like to say that the government had already deployed 3 senior IS officers, 2 IGs and 3 SSP rank IPS officers to Uttarkashi. Senior officials including Garhwal Commissioner Vinay Shankar Pandey, IG Garhwal, Shri Rajiv Saroop and senior IS officers Mehban Singh Bisht, Abhishek Rohila and Gaurav Kumar visited the Smart Disaster Control Room in Uttarkashi to review the situation. So they have all directed and involved personnel to work according to an integrated action plan and ensure all relief material reaches the needy without delay. Siddharth.
Kanchan, did you get any chance to talk to people there from that region or the nearby region? What are they saying?
Well, as of now, we couldn't get the opportunity to talk to the localites because you know that the situation is really tough, Siddharth. And keeping the humane tangent within us, it's just that we are just trying our level best to overcome the situation. We are just providing empathy to the natives as of now, because I think that this is not the first time that Uttarakhand is going through such a tough time. So I think instead of interacting with them, because they all have the same answer that they are devastated. I mean, they're broken internally. So it's our duty as citizens as well to actually provide them with empathy and support them in this crucial time. Siddharth.
Definitely, Kanchan. Whatever happened in Uttarakhand is really, really unfortunate, and we so hope that the normalcy returns as soon as possible. We leave it there. Thank you so much. This is developing.
Definitely, Siddharth. Thank you so much, Siddharth.
Yeah, this is developing, and we'll keep taking updates from you, Kanchan. Thank you so much.